Hello and welcome to this Concord Help Center video. This video focuses on how to subscribe to Concord if you're a student. Concord defines a student as any person who is currently enrolled in a high school, college, or university. If you are not a student, don't worry. You can click on a subscription tutorial in the description below, and it will demonstrate how to take out a standard subscription. All right, let's get started. First, you want to go to concord.christianscience.com and then click Login towards the top of the screen. This will bring you to this login page where you can log in with your Concord account. You want to enter in your email address and password. And then once you've entered in your email address and password, you can click Sign In to log into your account. So I'll click Sign In. Next, you'll want to go to your account profile page. You can navigate to your account profile page by clicking on your email address towards the top of the screen. It's to the left of the settings icon. You can see mine says concord@csps.com. Yours will say whatever email address you use to log into your account. Once you've located your email address, you can click on it. Next, you'll want to go to the account information box on the left-hand side of your screen, and then towards the middle of the box is a subscribe button. You can click on the subscribe button. Here you'll be prompted with a number of different subscription options. Since you are looking to take out a student subscription, you can click inside the circle that says Student Subscription. Then you can click Continue. Next, you'll have to validate your school or university. To do this, you can enter in the name of your school and your graduation date. Once you've entered in the name of your school and your graduation date, you can click Continue. Next, you'll get to choose a subscription plan. You can choose to either take out a monthly subscription or an annual subscription. A monthly subscription costs $5 per month, and an annual subscription costs $60 per year. I'll take out a $60 annual subscription by clicking in the circle next to Annual Subscription. Next, I'll click Continue. On this page, you'll be prompted to enter in your payment information. You'll want to enter in your first and last name, your address, city, state, zip code, and country. Once you've added all that information in, you'll want to enter in your credit card number and its corresponding expiration date and CVV number, which can commonly be found on the back of your credit card. Once you've filled out all this information, you can click Review Order. On this final page, you'll be given the opportunity to review your order. Here you can see your name, the subscription you selected, how you paid for that subscription, and your billing address. If you'd like to change any of these things, you can click on the back button. If everything looks correct, you can click Complete Subscription, and this will update your subscription status. I'll click Complete Subscription. When I go back to my account information box, you can see that my subscription status has been updated. We hope you found this video useful, and if you have any outstanding questions, you can email us at concord@csps.com, and we'd be happy to get back to you. Happy studying!